Good morning, subscribers. So today I ordered a watch from Vincero. It just got delivered. So I'm gonna do an unboxing. Let's see how the experience is and everything. So this is the package that you can expect to receive from DHL. They'll just leave it. They'll ring the bell. Right? Gonna go ahead and open the watch. Open the package. Try and use my hand instead of the knife. Let's see. All right, getting too excited, I guess. Here we are. Ah. The box, it's plain, black, matte finish. Very cool to the touch, actually. It's got some weight to it. Slide it open. There you have the actual second case. So now, I'm thinking that's the flap that you would use to open to get the watch out. So, all right, it's coming out. Okay. Oh yeah, excited for sure. You guys will get to see it same time as I would get to see it. All right, so when you open the package, I'll show you the watch in a little bit. Just gonna tell you what you can expect at the top. It has a little bit of a velvety finish. It's nice to the touch. Then you have it says welcome to Vincero. We started in 2014 with little more than luck and all that good stuff, which you guys can read. And then you have a warranty. It's 24 months, so 2 years worth of warranty that you're getting, which is really nice. It's awesome. Great. And they have their story. Tag us, win cash on Instagram and get a chance to get featured and win a $50 gift card. Awesome. And then it says, live your legacy. It's really nice. Now, it's the main one. Here's the watch. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly. This is the watch. It's the Outrider. I got the Army. They just call this Army color with a bit of a, it's leather, genuine leather. Alright, comes off easy. Alright, awesome. The watch has some weight to it. I'm pretty surprised. It's like I really love watches that carry some weight to it. It's really awesome. And wow. This is my very first Vincero watch, by the way. And the casing at the back, actually, if you guys can see it, looks really, really good. So it says, live your legacy, Veni, Vidi, Vici. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the stickers, the protective stickers. Go ahead. Oh, there you go. Wow, that's really nice. You don't eat. You can tell this one has very high level of water resistance because you don't see any screws. So if you have 4 screws, most likely it's about 300 to 500 meters of water protection. This one's got 100 meters. Yes, 100 meters. So the casing in the back reflects that. So it's pretty nice. It's a field watch. It's Vincero's fashion version of a field watch, but it's got all the it still has functional elements to it. So I'm gonna remove the casing in the front. There we go. Wow. So these three are the dials. So this one is supposed to, I received the instructions in my email, and it mentioned this one is supposed to start the stopwatch, which is right there. And this would reset that stopwatch. It's an important feature of field watches back in the day. And this one also has a rotating bezel. So this, as you guys can tell, it's able to rotate. So it's pretty nice. And it only rotates counterclockwise. So you want to get it back up, you have to keep doing it. Back. The triangle has to stop right there at 12. And then, in order to start it, you need to pull this tab down. Great. Now, we're going to set the time, right? So, let's see what the time is. 11:59. Oh, perfect. All right, gonna screw this guy. Very smooth. We're gonna wait right at 12 and start the watch. Let's see, gonna have to give it a bit of a wait. Oh, 12 o'clock. Oh yeah. Great watch. Let's play around with the buttons here. As you guys can tell, it's starting the timer after I press this button. It's really cool. All right, let's see the feel. It's definitely, it's got a nice dial. Brushed gold, because I don't want anything to be too loud. This, you can definitely wear it if you're going on hikes, walks. Also, it's pretty good for casual. Definitely not for formal events. For that, I'm gonna need to get a second watch to add to my collection. But this is definitely a great watch to wear when you're going on hikes, and you shouldn't worry about dropping it because it's very durable. The casing, it's coated with sapphire and it's mineral, so it has a high degree of durability. The hands are sword shaped. It's got some nice fashion. It's got a good fashion look to it, stylish look. They're also coated with some sort of light absorbing material. I'm not. It's lumen, I think. It's got to absorb some light now, and at nighttime, this should be able to. The dials, the hands, and everything is supposed to light up. So, yeah, excited. All right, let's put the watch on. That's what we got that for, and see how the feel is. All right. Wow. Pull this guy back, right? Give it some room. Since this is the first time I'm just wearing the watch out of the box, the strap, it's you have to break it literally. Once it breaks, it'll be comfortable and it'll give that nice worn out look that people like to, go for. I don't like to have my watches super tight on my wrist. I just have, I like to give a little bit of room. But yeah, I don't have big wrist. It's pretty much small to medium size, and this sits very comfortably in my hand. It has a very rich premium look to it. Definitely speaks to myself. Loving the watches. It's great. Great job, Vincero. I will create some follow-up videos and let you guys know how the watch is doing. It's just out of the box, right? So first impressions, but over time we'll know how the watch holds up, right? But yeah, that's about it. Catch you guys in the next video.